Want to permanently delete the files in your Samsung phone's trash? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to empty the trash in just a few taps. So, let's dive in. First, open the My Files app on your Samsung phone. Then, find and select Recycle Bin. Here, you'll see the files that you've recently deleted. To permanently remove everything, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and then tap Empty at the top of the screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. Keep in mind that once you empty the recycle bin, these files are permanently deleted and can't normally be restored. You can also empty the trash in the Gallery app. And that's how you can permanently empty the trash on your Samsung phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Samsung tips.